a world-class residential football academy, particularly with global standards for potentially gifted footballers who were born between 2004 and 2005. I think the idea is to produce good players. I think if they are that good, we expect them to be absorbed in any of the ISL or the I-League teams.
As we are right now, we're also looking to tie up partnerships with foreign-based academies because our products are not going to only be reviewed in India. I'm looking beyond. I'm ambitious about that, you know. With the program, the LTPD, we all stick together as a team and work with it diligently. That'll happen. So I think when we look at the revenue part of the program that I have in mind, there has to be a return, okay, that will offset the expenses that are involved here. We cannot go on with the scholarship. That's very, very important. So that's on our mind, is to make sure that we have a product that can get trials maybe at Inter Milan or get trials maybe at Vikings in Norway.
I'm very, very glad to be here and this presence to this field. It's fantastic, and I think it's the only way to progress the football is have the good facilities, and I encourage the people of football to have more facilities like that in the future, and this is a step very important for the quality of the football also.
Now you are heading the Indian Arrows project, so you have under 17 World Cuppers here alongside the under 19 boys. What's the plan now going forward? What would you be looking to achieve with them?
Now, the most important in this our participation is to get the experience. If we want to be coherent with the process, this generation have the World Cup, played the under 19, now the I-League, and in 2 years, some of them can play against the IFC competition, because they are players 2001, and this for me is really the big generation for the future. And of course I cannot say we're gonna play to be second or third or fourth or fourth, and I know when finished all these players are more prepared to the challenge of the future.